In today's video, I'll show you how to keep your Miro board perfectly organized. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, a clean and structured board makes everything more efficient and visually appealing. Let's start with one of your best tools, auto layout and alignment. Turning on the grid and snap to grid feature keeps your elements perfectly aligned without the guesswork. To do this, head into your board settings and enable the grid option. Once it's on, objects will automatically snap into place, helping your layouts stay neat and balanced. Next up, auto layout handles. When you've got a row of sticky notes or shapes, just click and drag the handles to line them up instantly. It's the fastest way to keep multiple elements in perfect order without manually nudging each one. Now, let's talk about grouping and ordering. If you've got several connected items like notes or diagrams, select them all and press Ctrl+G or Command+G on a Mac. This lets you move them as one unit without breaking your structure. And when things overlap, right-click to open the context menu. From there, you can bring objects to the front, send them back, or reorder them to create the right visual hierarchy. It's great for keeping important items visible while maintaining a polished look. Mastering these tools will help you create a Miro board that looks sharp, stays efficient, and makes collaboration seamless. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Miro tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!